Guys, welcome back to my channel. Please, I want you guys to watch this video after this pictures clip. It's a little picture. I want to hear you guys' opinion about this what is going on in Imo and Anambra State at the moment about ESN members attacking and killing people for disobeying the sit-at-home order. According to this man in the picture that you've seen, he said that he was attacked. Okay, guys, please watch the video and listen to what you have to say and give your comment. Thanks, guys, for watching.
I have the cutter with ESN and airport people. As you can see the boss at my back. They just bumped it this morning after they attacked me. My car was seriously vandalized. I was so lucky that they spared my life and my family. You know, I thank God for everything, irrespective of all my sins and everything I've been doing. But God, this is one of the boss. If I'm turning the other side, if you can see, okay, I can't see it. I can't see direct here. You know? This is Abombise. On Sunday morning, Abombise, and this happened around 5:30. But I destroy. This is sit at home. I have encounter with IPOP people, and this is the outcome. People that are unfortunate. As you can see that there are people inside this bus. They were burned to death. This is Jeff reporting live. There are people, about 3 people that are burned to death. 3 people inside. If you watch where you see them, as you can see, this is Jefferson reporting from Abombise in Imo State. Abombise in Imo State. I have a encounter with IPOP, ESN, this morning, and my car was fatally brutalized. And this is one of the bus, Hummer bus that was burnt. Again, I'll show you another Hummer bus that was burnt in front of me, and they opened fire on them because they wanted to escape, you know. So as you can see, this is what is happening now. This is live. Today being Sunday, the 9th of August 2001. So as you can see, it's another Hummer bus. The second Hummer bus that was burned down after they attacked me. This is Jefferson, Jeff. This is the Sienna. Let me show you the Sienna that was beside me. The Sienna that was beside me, or behind me. No, I didn't see the phone. No, I don't see him. I don't see the phone. No. So, this is the Sienna that was following me when they attacked me. You see? This is the Sienna. All the occupants were evacuated. They removed all of them. After removing all of them, they pour fuel on it and they burned it. So this is the Sienna that was following me. So let's see.